Hey guys, what's up? Rajat here from World of VFX. Welcome back to my channel. Today you'll be learning how you can import the textures and apply in Blender in the most easiest way. So let's get started. Alright, as you can see, I have already done this three basic primitive of materials over here, and I'll show you how you can import these materials and how you can apply this. This will be a very short and simple tutorial. So first of all, go to File, New and General. So before moving forward, you just need to enable one add-on which is already pre-installed in Blender. So go to Preference and type Node, and you will find this node called Node Wrangler. So you just need to turn this on, and that's it. Just close this. So now we have this basic primitive. You can use anything for your any materials. So I'll just simply delete this and Shift A, and I was taking a, let's say, UV sphere. So this is my basic primitive where we have this many subdivisions like 32 by 16. So let's increase it to 100 by 100, because if you increase the subdivisions, automatically your render quality will more increase. Alright, so after that, simply select, go to E from cycles, CPU to GPU compute, and let's decrease the maximum samples to 120, which is more than enough. Now select the material and go to the shading tab where you have this. Go to camera if you wish, and after that simply press new to take a new material. Now this is the fun part where you just need to select the principal BSDF and press Ctrl Shift and T on your keyboard, and once you enable that Node Wrangler add-on, you will find out this window pop up over here. Simply go to your download properties where you have already downloaded so many materials. Simply select anything, and now if I have found these many materials, and by the way, I have already downloaded all those materials from Polyheaven. Many materials, many HDRIs are completely free. You can simply go and download from polyheaven.com. Link is in description box below, and this is not a sponsored video. So I'll just simply select all this texture by pressing Shift and then simply press Principal Texture Setup. So automatically you can see the texture builder process done successfully. You no need to do anything, just simply import and done. Right after that, you can see the texture is not applying here properly. This is just because of the UV. So just simply tab press, so you find out this mode. Simply select all, go to UV, and you can find out this called Smart UV project. Simply select and press OK. So now everything is set up properly. So now if you notice, this is very flat, there is no displacement over here. So first of all, let's go to this render panel, which is the final render, where you can find this type of lighting already pre-installed. Now go to this material palette, go down, you can find out this called settings. Over there you can find this displacement, which is already as in bump only. So just simply select and make it to displacement and bump. So once you click this, you can find out the material start displacement like this. So now you need to decrease the displacement amount, the scale. So simply decrease the amount as per your requirement. So I'm just making it 0.2. Now if you notice, the details are very choppy, so what you need to do, simply select tab and right click, subdivide, and once more subdivide, and that's it. Now you can notice the details are getting more crisp and clear. Also you can do shader smooth to make it more clear as well, and that's it. You can find out the materials are looking pretty amazing, and if you wish, you can import any HDRI from over here like HDRI, and also I downloaded this HDRIs also from Polyheaven, and if you notice, the HDRIs are reflecting over here. So alright, this is my previous file where I have already imported these three materials. This is a normal cement concrete, this is a rock kind of thing, and this is a kind of shading tab over here. So yes, I have done this before. So yes, that's it for today. Hopefully you really enjoyed this fun loving short and simple tutorial from World of VFX. For this type of amazing tutorials, please do subscribe to our channel World of VFX, and for more Hindi tutorials, subscribe to our channel VFX World. My name is Rajat. See you very soon with some more amazing content. Till then, keep watching, keep rocking. World of VFX.